obvious, but it's going to be really, really hot today, so we better drink lots of and put on lots of.
Here at Green Chimneys, we offer 2 premier day camps in the heart of Putnam County. We offer summer camp programs for children ages 4 to 15. It's an amazing experience because it really allows the children in our programs to grow up at camp with us. The foundation of Green Chimneys programs are based in nature-based principles, and summer camp is really the perfect example of this. While kids are kind of in the classroom for 10 months of the year, at camp everything is outdoors. They spend all their times outdoors interacting with each other and participating in all of our activities that camp has to offer. The real value of camp for a kid is that they're able to really gain confidence and grow while they're here at camp.
We provide a different experience because we're more of a family, and we have a message that we like to send kids to be themselves and to love themselves. I just want them to leave knowing that their summer was way better than everyone else's at school because they went to Green Chimney summer camps.
Our main goal for every camper here is success, and we know that that's different for every camper that enters our programs, but we want them to have a successful summer, whether that's climbing the rock climbing wall for the first time or making a bunch of new friends that they're going to have for the rest of their lives. We want to make sure that they are successful and have an amazing experience while they're at camp with us.
Kids are a bit scared at the beginning. We climb to the top of the tower, and the rest of them, they are supporting each other. They go through that fear, and once they jump, they love it. It's really nice to see how they get the confidence and they just go for it.
We really believe in connecting children with the outdoor world around them because it allows them to grow more. It allows them to experience things in a different way than they would for the rest of the year.
As our world is ever changing, technology has become such an everyday experience for our kids, even in schools. And I think there's still such an importance to being outside and playing with others and connect with nature, connect with animals, and make lasting relationships.
Best camp ever!
My favourite thing about this camp is that everyone can be exactly who they want to be. Completely express themselves, be silly, have fun, in a completely controlled way. We provide that safe environment for all the children to feel like they can do and be whatever they want to be.
We're really about embracing that uniqueness within them and really bringing that out because that's what makes every single person special.
You just got to open up and come out your shell, and that's the best thing about camp. Just you can be yourself. Come to camp and then try something new and then gain some new skills, and so they come away thinking, I want to play soccer or I want to try a new sport. I don't think you can beat that feeling when a kid smiles and they're happy.
Some of my kids from my first year here who are now trackers and leaders in training and counselors in training who literally grow up at camp and they come back every year because they love this experience but now are becoming leaders.
Yeah, get on the water! All the way! All the way! Who are we? LIT!
We get returning staff, we get new staff, and whether they're people that have been coming to summer camp since they were kids or they're brand new and they've never been to summer camp, all they want to do is give these kids the best summer of their lives.
Coming here is the best thing I've ever done in my life. I think one of the biggest reasons parents choose to send their children back to Green Chimneys is because of the international staff and the various cultures that we provide for their children. Just gives their children a really good outlook into different parts of the world.
It's really, really great to wake up every morning, coming into camp and just wanting to make the most of every day, and it really rubs off on the kids. The camp spirit here is absolutely insane.
Are you ready to get messy?
I think that's pretty much the fundamental of camp, is putting yourself out there, getting out of your comfort zone, and being able to accomplish things they hadn't tried before. So as long as kids are able to do that while also forming lasting relationships, then we've been successful at camp.